In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get exotic planes in Military Tycoon. So Military Tycoon is actually a game created on Roblox, and you can find those the air vehicles that are actually able to fly, or aircrafts such as helicopters and planes that you can actually utilize. We have fighter biplane, biplane, helicopters, bomber, turret, Chinook, warplane, and the likes. They also have this buildable and permanent planes, event and game pass planes, and you can actually get some options right here. So typically the exotic planes are the ones under the game pass. So you can head over and then get those right here if you actually purchase a game pass. So it typically depends on your luck for this, since on some cases the event has already passed and there's no way to acquire it anymore, rather than actually waiting for the exotic plane to be available again out of the game pass. So upon searching, you can see that you can actually get or obtain exotic planes from loot crates, special events, or direct purchase with Robux. There's also some event crates that have this, so just head over and then make sure that you have enough Robux to actually obtain those crates right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.